M-step practice. Your learning target today is I can find the unknown in a subtraction problem. And you'll know you're successful when you can use regrouping when subtracting to find the unknown. Here is our M-step practice problem for today. What unknown number makes this equation true? Unknown equals 881 minus 72. So our unknown is represented by this box, and of course we need to know the difference, and that means the answer to a subtraction problem, the difference. So I know there are lots of different strategies on how I could figure out the answer to this, and I'm going to do one for today. I noticed right away that I can't do this strategy where I go 1 minus 2. Why is that? Because I can never start a subtraction problem with a smaller number and then take away a bigger number. I would get a negative number, and I know in 3rd grade I don't do that. So that strategy just will not work for this problem. I have to do some regrouping. So in order to do that, if I were to do the algorithm, I would show you regrouping and borrowing, but I am going to do a different strategy. So right away I noticed 881 is really close to a number that we know is a 10 number, and that number is 880. And I could take away 70 because again, when I take away tens from each other, it's a lot easier to take away. So I have 880 minus 870, and I would get 810. With this 810, I need to remember I need to add back my 1 because we had 881, now 880, and I would get 811. Remember, we took away 70 right here, so how many more do I have to take away? I need to take away those last 2, so 2 more. So 811 minus 2. Well, I know 11 minus 2, and that's 9, so it must be 809. So our unknown is 809, or that would look like 809 equals 881 minus 72. So after this video, what I want you to do is I want you to figure out this problem by using a different strategy than I used. And then for our feedback question for today, you will have a problem that will be similar to this but using different numbers, and I want you to figure that out with any strategy of your choice. But this problem, I want you to try a different strategy than I just used. Okay? So you could use the algorithm. You could use a different strategy. You could do splitting. Please try to do a different one than I did, and have fun today with your math game after the M-step practice. Remember, your learning target today is I can find the unknown in a subtraction problem, and you'll know you're successful when you can use regrouping when subtracting to find the unknown.